Have you ever stopped to think that something beautiful and harmless looking could actually be one of nature's greatest hidden dangers? Imagine walking through a garden full of flowers, admiring a tree with fresh fruit, or even touching a leaf without realizing that, in seconds, your body could collapse. The plant world is fascinating, but it is also treacherous. Today, I'll take you on a journey through 15 of the most poisonous plants on Earth. Some are so common that you've probably passed by them without noticing. And I promise you, the last one on this list will forever change the way you look at a simple garden. Let's start with hemlock. This plant went down in history as the one that killed the philosopher Socrates in ancient Greece. Small white flowers, the look of a simple weed. But inside it hides a toxin that attacks the nervous system, causing total paralysis until death by asphyxiation. The scariest part? Hemlock still grows freely in fields and roadsides, disguised among common plants. Now think of a plant that many people have in their backyards without knowing the danger it carries. The castor bean. Castor oil is known for its medicinal and cosmetic uses, but its seeds contain ricin, one of the deadliest substances ever discovered. Just a few seeds ingested can kill. The contrast between something used for healing and, at the same time, capable of killing, shows nature's cruel irony. Next comes angel's trumpet, or brugmansia. Its large, bell-shaped flowers look purely ornamental, but inside, they hold a cocktail of alkaloids that can cause terrifying hallucinations, delirium, and even death. In ancient rituals, it was used to open spiritual portals. But the line between spirituality and tragedy is razor thin. Another treacherous plant is oleander. It's grown in public squares, gardens, and roadsides for its colorful flowers. But behind that, beauty lies a deadly secret. A single leaf is enough to kill a child. Its poison attacks the heart directly, causing fatal arrhythmias. The irony is that this plant is often used as mere decoration. In the Amazon rainforest, indigenous peoples discovered a different power in curare. For centuries, it was used to poison arrows. Curare paralyzes the muscles and blocks breathing. Today, in tiny doses, derivatives are used during surgeries as muscle relaxants. But if the dose goes just a little too far, the effect is fatal. Now imagine a tree that looks like it bears small green apples. Pretty, inviting, almost harmless. That's the manchineel, also known as the tree of death. Its sap burns the skin on contact. Eating its fruit is lethal. Even standing beneath it during rain is dangerous, because the water carries toxins dripping from its branches. In parts of the Caribbean, some trees even have warning signs to protect unsuspecting tourists. Belladonna is another classic. In the Middle Ages, women used extracts of it to dilate their pupils and appear more attractive, not realizing they were risking their lives. Belladonna causes delirium, convulsions, and can kill quickly. It became known as the herb of beauty, but its beauty demands too high a price. The yew tree stands tall in colder regions of Europe and North America. Its leaves and seeds are deadly. Yet from it comes a compound used in cancer treatments. It's the paradox of nature. One tree that holds both cure and death. Another example is the strychnine tree. Its seeds produce a venom that causes violent muscle spasms and painful convulsions until death. For a time, strychnine was even used as a stimulant in small doses. But the line between medicine and poison was so thin that it became infamous as one of the cruelest toxins. In Asia, there's yellow jasmine, known as gelsemium. Its flowers are beautiful and fragrant, but its poison slowly paralyzes the body. Historians believe it was once used in political assassinations, since its symptoms resemble natural illness. a perfect crime weapon. Another danger disguised as beauty is the rosary pea, or Abrus precatorius. Its red seeds with a black spot look like tiny jewels, often used in necklaces and bracelets. But chewing just one seed can be fatal. The tragedy is that many people handle them without realizing they're carrying death in their hands. In Central and South America grows the sandbox tree, nicknamed the dynamite tree. Its fruits explode, shooting seeds long distances. Beyond this spectacle, its sap is dangerously toxic and can even cause blindness if it touches the eyes. Aconite, also called wolf's bane, was used in ancient wars to poison weapons. Its venom acts fast, causing sudden heart failure. Yet its purple flowers are still cultivated in gardens, admired by many who don't know they are raising one of the deadliest plants on Earth. Datura is a close relative of angel's trumpet. Its flowers are striking, but consuming it can cause irreversible hallucinations, confusion, and death within hours. Some cultures used it in rituals, but always at a terrible risk. And finally, we come back to the ornamental castor plant. Attractive, often grown in gardens, yet its seeds contain ricin, the same deadly poison already mentioned. Being used as decoration only brings this danger even closer to people's homes. It's as if nature placed death inside a flower pot to test our awareness. These 15 plants are a brutal reminder that nature has two faces. On one side, beauty, fragrance, and color. On the other, poison, pain, and death. Some were used in rituals, others in wars, others even in silent assassinations. Many still grow quietly around us, disguised, waiting for someone unaware to come too close. And now, I want to ask you, which of these plants did you find most terrifying? The tree of death with its deceptive fruits, belladonna with its seductive history, or oleander, quietly decorating our gardens? Leave your comment, share this video with someone who loves dark curiosities, and subscribe so you don't miss the next mysteries. Because, in the end, the greatest lesson is clear. Not everything that looks beautiful is truly harmless.